Hey, been about 2 weeks since I've been on here. Been doing a lot of stuff since I got back from Miami. Spent a little bit of time with my daughter in Sarasota where she lives. Driving experience went fantastic. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Been out just kind of enjoying this car the last week or two, but we have started another project on it. I was messing around and noticed there were some spots in the carpet looked kind of bad, and it was actually getting pretty dry rotted. That is the original carpet inside that car. I didn't notice it when I was changing out the console, putting the 4-speed and stuff in. But anyhow, decided to buy some new carpet and could not get the seats repaired, so we are putting on some brand new seat covers. Got the carpet laid out just to get it to relax a little bit before I install it. Seats are out of the car. I'm going to start tearing those down tonight too. There's the seat covers that I got. Got them from a company. I'm not going to mention their name, but I maybe can drop something in the comments if anybody actually attempts to do their own upholstery and stuff. And nice OEM reproduction stuff, so it matches real good. Otherwise, I really didn't want to get rid of the original seat covers because I can't say that it's all original interior now. But anyhow, gonna get started on this project here. I know it's, like I said, it's been 2 weeks since I've been on here, but staying kind of busy. I still got to get to a dozen other projects. One of them was trying to clean up this garage a little bit and making it where I've got a little bit more space to work on different things. These 2 motorcycles take up this side of the garage, but got a lot of it cleaned up, a lot of it sorted out, got rid of a lot of stuff. Still got a lot of stuff. Found a lot of things in boxes that I did not know I had. But got the majority of it sorted out. Still going to get rid of a little bit more. I'm trying to sell some of this stuff because I don't know if I'll ever get around to actually working out a lot of the projects. But number one project today is getting this old carpet out, getting the new carpet in, and getting these new seat covers put on these bucket seats. It's not the first upholstery job I attempted. The first upholstery job was the 96 Impala SS that's sitting outside here behind me. I did it probably, had to be at least 15 years ago. But went pretty good. Didn't really have any trouble with the disassembly or the hog rings or anything like that. The biggest problem I got is those hog rings are hard to cut. But I think I got the right tools today. So we're going to turn around. First things first, get the old carpet out of the car, and then we'll start taking these covers off these seats. But anyhow, just want to jump on here. I may video it, I may not. It's just, it may be boring to watch, but we'll see. But anyhow, thanks again for everybody. As far as the new subscribers, I appreciate it, and hope we have more content soon. But I will shout at you later.